ano naman ang kailangan. Who is eligible? Or what are the eligibility requirements in order to apply for this visa? So, unang-una, you must have an eligible visa. Okay, what are the eligible visas for this? Gaya ng sabi ko kaninang nag-umpisa tayo, 491 and 494 lang. Hindi pwede yung 482 o ibang visa. So, only the holders of 491 visa and holders of the 494 visa are the eligible ones. Okay? And then second, satisfy the income requirement. So, kagaya nung in-apply nyo yung 491, the income requirement, which was a T-Smith at that time, is 53,900. But it seemed to me that with the announcement last night, parang wini-waive na yung income requirement na yon, and it will become a case-to-case basis na decision nila. Basta magsasama ka ng ATO notice of assessment mo for 3 years. And then, you must have complied with all the visa conditions. Kailangan nandun ka sa remote area, di ba? Kasi yan yung nasa regional area ka dapat. So, kasama yan sa mga bibilangin na compliance mo. No? So, kung wala naman silang adverse information about you, then it should be okay. And then, of course, you need to get your medical done, which will be done after lodgement as of the current system. And then you also need to prove na you are a person of good conduct by way of presenting your Australian Federal Police check and, of course, your National Bureau of Investigation certificate. Kung tumira ka naman sa ibang bansa in the last 10 years, then you will have to get a certificate, a police certificate as well from that country. And then, of course, yung laging nasa dulong declaration sa kahit na anumang application is that you need to respect the Australian values. And you are signing it by way of, yes, I do agree and I will abide by the Australian values. Kung meron ka lamang utang sa Australian government, you need to pay that before lodging the application. Kailan nangyayari yung mga utang? Halimbawa, na overpaid kayo dun sa inyong tax refund. No? So, yan. Naka-reflect yan sa government. Kailangan bayaran yan bago dumating man. Kung hindi nyo kayang bayaran kasi masyadong malaking kinlay yung refund, di naman pala kayo eligible, merong ginagawa ang taxation office, di ba? So, meron silang pwede kang humingi ng arrangement ng $50 a week at a certain period of time, mababayaran mo yun. Kung nandun ka sa ganung klaseng arrangement, then you can present the letter to the immigration na you have already an arranged you already have an arrangement with the ATO on how to pay and when are you able to pay yung mga debts nyo o yung mga utang nyo. And then if you've been canceled a visa, you've been refused a visa, then you will generally not be allowed to make an application. But there are some situations wherein those things can be waived or can be checked whether or not you are indeed not able to apply and not eligible. You need to talk to us if you want to find out kung kayo ay affected ng cancellations o kaya naman ay ng refusals. Okay? So, those are the eligibility requirements. So, hindi ko na masyadong ipapaliwanag yung how to apply kasi mabilis lang naman yan. No? So, before you make an application, of course, you need to know the correct visa and then you need to gather your documents and then you need to apply on time. You need to apply on the correct stream if there are different streams. And then, of course, after you apply, you will get an acknowledgement letter and you will need to do your medical. And if there are any issues with the medical character or whatever, then immigration will contact you for a request for further information. And if they're happy, then they're going to grant your visa. Okay, so I think that's basically it for 191. The really good news for 191 now is yung removal ng income requirement na kinakatakutan natin noon na baka nakalagay din sa 70,000 walang magka-qualify doon if they're going to use the new T-Smith. Okay?